it's the Tax Geek again, this time with some oversimplified answers to your tax questions. In this video, I'm going to answer some commonly asked questions about the 2021 Child Tax Credit. These answers will cover information not given in the main video, which is linked above or in the description below. If you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and watch it now, and if you have additional questions, come back here. So let's get going with the questions. Here is the first one. I have no taxable income and I haven't filed a tax return in several years, but I have children that might qualify for the credit. How do I get the credit? The surest way to receive the advance payments of the 2021 Child Tax Credit is to file a 2020 federal income tax return. Even if you have no income, you can still file a pro forma tax return reporting $1 in income to report your marital status and claim any dependents for the credit. This will also qualify you to receive any recovery rebate credit for any 2020 stimulus payments that you should have received but didn't. You may also be able to provide this information through the online tool the IRS will have on its website. I filed a pro forma return or used the online payment tool to receive my advanced 2021 Child Tax Credit. If I have no income, do I still need to file a 2021 return? Most likely, yes. Only one half of the 2021 Child Tax Credit will be advanced to you. The rest must be claimed by filing a 2021 tax return, even if you have no income. Failure to file a return will result in a forfeiture of the balance of the credit and may trigger a notice from the IRS to either file a return or pay back the advance credit payments. When I filed my 2020 return, I had a balance due and didn't give them direct deposit information. How will I get my advance payments? You will be issued a paper check for any advance payments. You can also use the online tool to enter correct direct deposit information. Instead of getting a notice from the IRS about the advanced 2021 Child Tax Credit payments, I received an email instead asking me to confirm my payment and tax information. Can I do it that way? I cannot emphasize this enough. The IRS never initiates contact with taxpayers by email, text message, or telephone. This bears repeating. The IRS never initiates contact with taxpayers by email, text message, or telephone. Got it? Emails such as this are a scam and are designed to steal your sensitive personal information and collect the payments for themselves, or steal your identity, or worse. Do not click any links in such emails. Delete them or forward them to phishing@irs.gov and then delete them. I filed an extension in May and haven't yet filed my 2020 return. How will the IRS determine if I am eligible for the 2021 Child Tax Credit advance payments? If they have not received your 2020 return yet, the IRS will base your credit eligibility on your 2019 return if you have filed one. Again, you can also use the online tool to update your information. Our income has dropped significantly in 2021 over 2020, and we think we might be eligible for the 2021 Child Tax Credit. Can we do something to get the advance payments? Yes, the online tool should be set up to allow people to update their incomes, marital statuses, and number of qualifying dependents. But be very careful with estimating your income. If your estimate is too low and it turns out you are not eligible for the enhanced credit, you might be responsible for repaying the advance payments. We welcomed a new child into the world in 2021. Can we receive advance payments of the credit for our new child? Yes. See the answer to the previous question. We're trying to save up for a down payment on a home and would prefer not to receive the advance payments of the credit and instead receive it as a lump sum. Can we do that? Absolutely. The online payment tool will be set up to let you opt out of the advance payments. But here's a better idea. Have the advance payments direct deposited to an interest-bearing account instead. I owe back taxes from a previous year, and the IRS always takes my refund. Will this apply to the advance payments as well? Like the stimulus payments, the advance payments of the 2021 child tax credit should not be subject to offset for back federal or state taxes, delinquent student loans, or even back child support. The second half of the credit that will be claimed on the 2021 tax return becomes part of your refund and is subject to offset just like any tax refund is. If you think that might be the case, do not opt out of advance payments. There was a mix-up, and the IRS never sent my advance payments. It was so frustrating. Can I still get them? Yes, you can claim the entire 2021 child tax credit, including any advance payments you did not receive, when you file your 2021 tax return. This also applies to the April 2021 $1,400 stimulus payment if you did not receive it. We had a really good year and our income shot way up to the point where we are no longer eligible to receive any child tax credit, but the IRS sent advance payments to us anyway. Do we have to repay them? Most likely. The IRS has not yet established criteria or procedures for repayment of the advance payments if it is required, so stay tuned for more information. The easiest way to avoid this problem if you think it might happen is to use the online payment tool to either change your income to a higher amount or opt out of the advance payments entirely. Did I answer your question? If not, ask a question in the comments and I will either personally answer your question or include it in an upcoming video. You can also consult with the resources in the video description. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Please share this video with anyone who would find it useful. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment space below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more of your taxes and finances oversimplified.